Welcome to this video on how to make bread pizza. This easy recipe takes only about 10 minutes and is suitable for ages 8 and up. Bread pizza is a quick homemade snack that uses bread slices instead of traditional pizza dough. This recipe is non-vegetarian and serves 2. For the ingredients, you will need 4 slices of bread, 1 onion, 1 capsicum or bell pepper, pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, 2 baby corns, and 3 sausages. Step 1. Chop the onions, capsicums, sausages, and the baby corn into small pieces. Step 2. Spread the pizza sauce evenly on the bread slices. Step 3. Add a layer of mozzarella cheese on top of the sauce. Step 4. Now, add your chopped toppings, including the onions, capsicum, sausages, and baby corn. Step 5. Repeat this process for all 4 slices of bread. Step 6. Place the prepared bread pizzas into an air fryer. Step 7. Bake the bread pizzas in the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Step 8. Once baked, your bread pizza is ready. Enjoy your meal. Feel free to experiment with your ingredients. For instance, you could change the sausages to paneer for a vegetarian option. That's it. Your delicious bread pizza is cooked. Thank you for watching this video.